In today's video, I'll show you on how you can split a part in Onshape CAD. Now to get started, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and place a plane on a specific part. In my case, I'm going to be placing it this way. And basically what you want to do is to just adjust the plane depending on the part that you want to split. So I'll click on the offset button, and in my case, I'm going to be splitting my shape onto this specific part right here. I'll click on the check button, and right after we are going to use this specific tool called split. So once again, you can just click on it. You want to select the shape that you want to split, and then the entity to split with is going to be the plane that we have made. And now to finally split your shape right here, what you can do is to use a tool called transform. So it's going to be this specific icon right here. Just click on it, click on your shape, and then you want to select your preset. In my case, I'm going to be translating it to XYZ, and then I'm going to split it this way. So from there, you have successfully split a part on Onshape CAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides for everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.